Good morning, students. Hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. Do you know that which day we are going to celebrate today? Yes! Today we will celebrate International Tiger Day. So do you know when do we celebrate this day? Yes, we celebrate this day on 29th of July every year. Okay, we also call this day Global Tiger Day. It is celebrated every year on 29th of July. Do you know why do we celebrate this day? No? Okay, let me tell you. We celebrate this day to raise awareness about tiger conservation. What is International Tiger Day? It is an annual celebration to raise awareness for tiger conservation. Okay, it is both an awareness day and a celebration. Okay. And do you know something about tiger? Yes. Okay, let us discuss. So, beta, tiger is the national animal of India. It is also the national animal of Bangladesh, South Korea and Malaysia. The Indian tiger, also called as the Royal Bengal tiger. Okay. The tiger is the largest living member of the cat family. Do you know the other members of cat family? No. Okay, let me tell you. They are Black Panther, jaguar, lion, leopard and cheetah. Among these, tiger is the biggest and strongest cat. Do you know where do they live? Where do tigers live? Beta, tigers can live in the forests, in the rainforest. As you all know, tigers are wild animals and they have to stay in their original habitat, that are jungles, hills and evergreen forest. Okay, so in easy words we can say that tiger lives in the jungle. Okay, forest is the habitat of the tiger. Tiger is a carnivorous animal. Tigers generally hunt at night. Do you know why do they hunt at night? Because they have a good night vision. 6 times better than ours. Its night vision is 6 times better than ours. First, tigers sit and wait for the prey and then launch their rapid surprise, that is attack. So this hunting strategy they follow. Do you know what do they eat? Yes, beta, they are carnivorous animal and they eat meat. Okay, they eat meat like buffalo, wild pigs, deer, fish, cows, birds, monkeys, lizards, crocodiles and small elephants. God has gifted them sharp and flash of animals. Do you know something about their living style? Beta, they are solitary animals. Okay, they love to live alone. You wouldn't see tigers in groups like we see lions. They ever mark their territory. They even mark their territory. They scratch the trees with their claws and mark their territory also. They urinate. Okay, they urinate so that the tigers know that this is the area of some other tiger. And do you know, the tiger has a unique stripe pattern on its body. Yes, beta, they have a unique black stripe pattern on their orangish and yellowish body. Like no tigers will have the same stripe pattern. All tigers have more than 100 stripes on their body. But no two tigers have the same pattern of stripes. Now let us talk about its roar. The roar of the tiger is very loud. We can hear it as far as 3 kilometers away. And tigers are very good swimmers. They like to play in water. Their young ones are called the cubs. Okay, tigers start their life as a cub. And they can live for around 10 to 15 years. They play an important role in the maintenance of the environment. They are important for the ecosystem and maintain the food chain. In the forest, we can see trees and plants and grass. Okay, and we also see grass-eating animals that eat plant. Okay, like deer, zebra, wild pigs, giraffe, etc. So beta, in jungle we can also see the carnivorous animals. Okay, like tiger, lion, cheetah, etc. Okay, beta, herbivores eat plants and these herbivores are eaten by the carnivores, and tiger is the top predator in the food chain. Okay, so imagine if there are no tigers left, then what will happen? Then there will be more herbivorous animals, and they will eat away the plants and the trees. Then we will have very less plants or trees. You all know that plants are very important as they give us fresh air. They bring rain. They give us food, and we get many more things from plants. So if tigers are not there, then everyone will suffer. So, this importance of tiger. This is the importance of tiger. Okay? It keeps the check on the animals. But now, very few tigers are left. Why? Why this is so? It is because of the deforestation. Okay? It means trees are cut down. Human being has cut down the trees for agriculture and other developmental activities, and tiger lost its habitat. Beta, if the trees are cut down, then there will be no forest. And as we have seen, tigers live in the forest. So, of course, there will be no tigers, because after losing their habitat, they cannot survive for more days. Okay. Then the second reason is hunting. Okay. The tigers are killed for their body parts like skin, teeth. Okay. And we people make decorative items from their parts. Its skin is used to make robes. Bones are used to make traditional medicines. Many medicines are prepared by each and every part of the tiger, starting from the whiskers up to the tail. So, if there is lot of hunting, then there will be no tiger. Then what will happen? What will happen if there will be no tigers? There will be pollution. Okay? Then there will be global warming. It means the temperature of the earth will be increased. And if the temperature increases, then the ice on the mountains will melt. Beta, this melted ice will reach the sea, and the level of the sea will increase, and this will endanger the mangrove forest, and the forest will go under the sea. So again tigers will not have home. So in this way, if we have to save the tiger, we have to save the forest. Okay? We have to save the forest. It means do not cut the trees. Okay? Stop cutting the trees. And we have to stop hunting. We have to stop hunting or stop poaching. That is, and control the climate changes. Okay, only then we will be able to control climate changes. Beta, in earlier time there were 9 types of tigers, but due to this hunting, due to this deforestation and poaching, the 3 types of tigers have already died. That is the Bali tiger, the Caspian tiger, and the Java tiger. They have already extinct. We cannot see them. They die. Okay. Now we are left only with 6 types of tigers. They are Bengal tiger, which is the national animal of India, and South China tiger, Siberian tiger, which is the biggest tiger, the Sumatra tiger, which is the smallest tiger, the Malayan tiger, which is national animal of Malaysia, the Indo-Chinese tiger, which is the national animal of Myanmar. So these are the living tigers. You can see their picture. Okay. And what if we don't take any initiative today? What will happen if we do not take an initiative today? Then in reality you will find them only in parts. Okay? You can see the tiger in their parts. Inside Chinese medicine bottles, or you will find the tigers on t-shirts, or as a designer rug. You will find the tiger in comics or in animation movies. You will find tiger on people's bodies. You will find people imitating me. But you may never find the real me. Soon, from being India's national animal, I might just become a national animal. Can you please help me? I request you. The tiger's cub requests you to help. So let us start. Otherwise, the future generations would never get the chance to see the biggest cat, one of the most beautiful and amazing creature ever to walk the earth. Extinction is permanent, and it is the failing of modern man. And beta, how tigers are getting help? We can help them. The best way to help is to learn all about tigers and their habitats. You can also help by sharing with other people, by sharing your knowledge about tiger with other people. Every animal on earth is very important. So do all you can do. You can do help the tigers and others. Protect the tigers and their habitat. As a kid, we can also save the tiger too. Being a child, you can also save the tiger. How? By buying forest-friendly products, by spreading awareness, donate for anti-poaching, reduce buying of products containing tiger parts. This is how we can help the tigers. So thank you all of you, and let us take a pledge to save tigers.